Hi everyone, welcome to Vainu's product release. Today we'll talk about the latest release we have done, Nordic contact data. Let's start with the key facts. We have collected and validated more than 7 million business contacts and important decision makers in the Nordics and made them available for our customers. All these contacts are also GDPR compliant. So we've done a very good and careful job when collecting and validating important and relevant business contacts in the Nordics. The use cases, the most popular ones that we believe our customers will use this dataset for, number one is of course ICP list building. So now you can build even more accurate lists because on top of the company attributes, you can also use contacts and filter down the results by selecting specific functions and departments within companies. So you can, for example, create a list of all SaaS companies and only focus on decision makers within legal or HR departments. This dataset is also very useful for marketing, of course, when they build target audiences for the campaigns. And salespeople will save lots of time because they don't have to do the never-ending copy-pasting when they add phone numbers, emails, first names, last names in their CRMs. They can very easily, with one click, add either new contacts one at a time or many contacts at the same time because we support CRM bulk export. And it's an exciting data set, lots of other use cases also available or in the making. The ones that I want to highlight, CRM enrichment. I would imagine that most of you have lots of contacts without a title, for example, in your CRM. So that's a good use case. And also we all know that it's always a window of opportunity when a new decision maker joins a company or if an existing champion moves on from an existing customer. So keeping an eye on these decision maker changes is also very important. The features that we have built for decision maker and contact datasets, you can of course filter. As I mentioned, you can filter down the results by focusing on a specific function. So what we have done is that we have connected each title with a specific function within a company. So head of legal, for example, then if the title is head of legal, function will be legal. Or if the title is marketing director, then the function is marketing. So you can very easily select the functions you focus on and only look at those contacts in our database. And then once you have done the filtering, you can easily see the whole list, including all the contact details in one easy to understand view. These contacts are also available and visible in any of the company profiles we have in the Nordics. If you navigate to the Employees tab, you can see all the contacts we have for that specific company. And then, as mentioned, you can easily add these new contacts into your CRM. Make sure that your CRM is always up to date. No need to copy paste phone number from one place, email from another place. You can easily just add the full contacts into your CRM, and you can even add many contacts at the same time. We support Salesforce, HubSpot, Pipedrive, and Dynamics. Also, getting the list out as a CSV, or if you need an Excel file, very easy to do so. And our CSV export allows you to pick and choose the data points you want to include in that Excel file. The data is also available through our API. So if you have data teams using and accessing Vainu data, these contacts are also available in the API. Best way to see it in action is to navigate and go to vainu.com/free trial. You can try it out for yourself. As mentioned, more than 7 million GDPR compliant contacts available in the Nordics. If you want to see this in action, stay on the line. I'll show you a quick demo in a few moments. All right, let's take a look how this contact data looks in the Vainu platform. So I'm using Vainu platform. I have the Finnish country database, and I'm building a new ideal customer profile list for the sales team. So let's first pick, for example, companies and filter it down by some financial numbers. I'm choosing revenue. So I want to focus on companies with more than, let's say, 10 million in revenue. And industry-wise, I could focus on manufacturing companies. So then I have 1,700, almost 1,800 companies with, of course, lots of contacts. So this is the new contact filter. First, I want to focus on a specific function, this time finance, human resources, and legal decision makers. And I also want them to have either a phone number or email available for me. I could also be even more specific and select a specific title. If I only want to go after CFOs or head of legal or head of accounting, I could do that by using title keyword. But now I selected three functions, finance, HR, and legal, and I want these contacts to have either a phone or email or both available. So then I apply the filter. I have the results here. So you can very easily see a list of contacts, lots of contacts from many companies, and they all have either phone number or email available. The contact info icon always displays the information we have available for them. Then if I wanted to take this list as an CSV file, or if I want to convert that into an Excel, I can easily pick and choose the data points I want to include in my file. So everything I select here, they will appear as new column in the file. So lots of options, and then you can simply export the file out from Vainu platform. And if you have connected your CRM, sending contacts would then open up the dialog where you define how you want to send these contacts into your CRM. But as mentioned, it's very easy. You always start with all companies in a country, and then you first filter companies to narrow down the search for your ICP companies, and then the new contact filter makes it very easy for you to pick and choose those right individuals for you, the ones that you want to do business with. So as mentioned, go to vainu.com/free trial and open up your own free trial and try it out. Thanks for listening.